up that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this gorgeous wig from Junodahair. So as you can see from the title, we'll be working with this lovely straight unit. This wig is actually their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig in 22 inches, and the texture is straight, of course. I am loving how nice and silky this hair feels. It's a breeze running my fingers through it. I love it so much. This is like probably one of my favorite installs. So if you'd like to see how I use my Ghost Bond glue to glue this unit down, even though I didn't have to because it was definitely 100% glueless. So if you'd like to see how I used the glue to glue this lace down and have this flawless melt, just keep on watching, and the links for this wig will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase. And I'm gonna stop rambling, so let's jump into today's tutorial.
For you every time I try to resist you, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You move like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a John and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. Now you want me run like a nothing. I think that's for me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see by your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You move like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a John and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body like the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 How you want to run like a nothing? I think that's for me and have my hips stiff. Yeah. No fear, no cares. Because who cares? I just said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah. I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look I twist.
Okay babes, so I am back and this is the finished look. This wig is from Junodahair and they went ahead and sent me their 22-inch 13x4 HD lace frontal wig in straight, of course, 22 inches. So it's all the way down here and the ends are really nice and full. They are not thin and straggly at all, which is something that Junoda never does. I've been working with them for the past couple of months now and all their wigs are such good quality. This hair is everything. Like, just look at the luster and the shine, and I use no type of silkening products in this hair for it to look like this. It is perfect. All I did was just wash it as soon as I took it out of the bag, just so that once I straighten, I would just have that really nice silky bone straight effect. So that is something I do recommend, just washing your wig as soon as you get it. And right now I am loving how it looks. I love how it feels. It was so easy to install and this lace was everything. The lace is literally to die for. This wig is perfection. So if you are looking for a really nice, lightweight, not super thick wig, especially seeing that it's the summertime, definitely get your hands on this. It is gorgeous and I cannot wait to take pictures in it. So the links for this wig will be in the description box below for you to purchase. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Junoda for sending me this gorgeous wig. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.